Hi everybody and welcome to Paper Wishes vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig and today we've got from Hunky Dory Crafts these fancy shaped card blanks and a wonderful set of stamps. Let me go through these. This is the Side Stepper card blank, the Twisted Double Easel card blank. This one is a cute little tag card blank, and this one is the, what is this called, Beaded Frame card blank. Then we have got, this one is From the Heart stamp set. This one is in Full Bloom. Floral Flourishes, great borders. And then we've also got Bloom Wildly. So Debbie and I have used all of these blanks. I'll do this first one. This one Debbie did using this cute little tag. Okay, this wonderful tag, and then she also used the In Full Bloom. She did some little paper piecing here with hers, so she gave me all her scraps so I could show you guys. So she stamped this first on the background paper, and then she cut out, and then she stamped this, and then she cut out some of her little pieces here from yellow. So this is a different shade than this shade, and then she stamped out this wonderful border from the pink, and then from the green she went ahead and cut out the leaves and stuff. And then she did these adorable little sparklets. See, this one is Cactus, just to give it a little bit of shine and shimmer, and then a light pink bow at the top. You can get all of those from paperwishes.com. There we go. Then let's see what this one. Okay, this one is the Twisted Double Easel card, and she used, here we go, the From the Heart stamp set. So this is how this one goes. You look at it like this, and then it pops open like this, and then she used one of the border stamps on there with foam tape on it so that you could prop that up. Isn't that cool? All right, so let me show you inside of this. So she used, this is the paperback that she used, is Country Blooms paper pack, and it's got this great truck here. And then you can see she foam taped that border on the inside, so that gave sort of a barrier there to pop those up. Isn't that great? And then she stamped her beautiful heart twice on white cardstock, and then she used the Finesse waterproof dye ink. This is Rustic Brown, because she used the Tri-Blend markers from Spectrum Noir, and she used some really great colors here. She used Coral and Light Green Blend and Hyacinth and Purple Blend and Dull Green, and then also the Citrus Blend for those. And we want to use that alcohol proof ink so that the alcohol markers don't start to blend with the ink and just get really muddy. Here's one I did using this adorable little beaded frame. This is what this one looks like when you get it, and then you just evacuate these pieces. This is the only one that of the collection that has some little die cut pieces to move, and you just pull those out like that. Okay, and then I used, here we go, this is the Bloom Wildly stamp set, and I just stamped those little pieces and then used some Spectrum Noir markers to cut them out and color them rather. I used pale pink, blue turquoise blend, and then light yellow, and then the leaves were from the citrus green blend. And let me just show you really quickly how I did my coloring. I used the darkest one on the turquoise. And if you're not familiar with these pens, they're great because they are called Tri-Blend markers, and they have 3 pens in one. They're the same, they're the same 3 pens of the same shade, and it just makes things so much faster when you're coloring. So you see I left one little bit opened right there until I went on to the next one, and I did that all the way around. And then I put some of the little rainbow flat back pearls on the center of each one and use some foam tape. And on the inside, I just put a little square of Butterfly Meadow paper from the Butterfly Meadow paper pack. I just loved that color and that contrast behind there. And I didn't want to like cut around all those scallops, so I just put a little square there and it just covers perfectly. Okay, so I thought that would look really pretty just standing up like that. All right, now this last one is the Side Stepper card blank. And for this, let me grab it here. One might take a little explanation in how to fold. It's really, really simple. But you want to fold the top here, and then you've got some more folds right here. And you're just going to kind of accordion fold those back and forth like this. Oh, I was going the wrong direction. Sorry about that. There we go. So that you got stair steps. Okay, so it goes like that. So you have a valley, a mountain, and a valley, and then a mountain right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I did with this card. I have all my little goodies in here. We're going to put one together. So the back of my card, I went ahead and covered this portion with Wood and Texture paper pack from Hot Off the Press, and it's just a really cool white brick. And then I used a brown ink pad around the edge here. Then I used, these are from Minte Papers. This one's called the Tag Book, and this is called the Flora Book. And inside, they've just got all these wonderfully coordinated tags. So I'm going to use that. And then I'm also going to use, for those of you who love to do little cutting and fussy cutting with your little scissors, I just sat there last night and I just took my little scissors from Crafter's Companion and I cut out the flowers in this page. All right, and I also used the tags from this page. Okay, they had sort of nice peaches and blues. So here's the first tag. We're going to put this together pretty quickly. So I've got everything folded. I also should mention I've got a little greeting here, and this is the just for you, and it's a script greeting dazzle from Hot Off the Press, a sticker that was really easy to put on. I put my tag here. That's a little crooked, Lene. Here we go. I've also got some pre-cut wood-shaped pieces that I'm just going to glue right here on the steps. I'll pull those open like this, and I just had them going even from side to side. There we go. Okay. And glue is getting a little clogged up, so I love to use this Cosmic Shimmer Specialist acrylic glue, but sometimes, like all glue, when I leave it sitting open, it gets a little clogged up, and so I like to just use a paper clip. All right, so here's two more tags. I've inked the edges brown, and I put a little foam tape between them, just kind of offset them. And I'm going to put those kind of extending off the edge. No, actually, I think I'm going to do it like this. Better. And then we've got some of the rose pieces to cut out. Here I put a little piece of foam tape there, and I just took two of the leaves, cut those out. And I forgot to show you the leaves. Here, from this page, there's some green leaves and some blue leaves. And I'm really trying to play up on that blues and greens and peaches in those colors. And I've got a little bow there. And then I've got another little tag right here. I think I'm going to glue that right there. I'm kind of winging this. This is my thought process when I'm making a card. All right, so put this one right here with some foam tape. Got pretty know the name of all of these, what that one is. I know I've got a lot of roses here. Go put this here. Flower there. We've got some leaves. It's kind of a bluish leaf. We're gonna put there. Let's put this one. This one's sort of a nice peach color. That one right there. This leaf to go with that, green leaf. Another little leaf. Right, how are we liking that? Good. Now I'm going to put my bow up there. Hold that for a second so that I can connect. Go. Yeah, I think we'll put that one right. Okay, so as you can see, this side stepper card blank was just, it's really fun to work with and lots to play with, and these great little books from Mintay, as the floral book #2 and the tag book, made that really fun to put together. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on all these little goodies. I'm going to put all these out here so you can see them again. If you are watching us on our vlog page, then the money saver is on the right hand side of the screen. So you just want to look over there and click on that photo that says money saver. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then you want to look in the description box below for the money saver link. But there's also a link to paperwishes.com where you can find lots more videos and fun things to play. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.